agreement with James Agriole. He's my senior, he's my friend, but where he's wrong, I will tell him you are wrong. You cannot tell us that we cannot dialogue, that we cannot talk with Ruto, we cannot talk as Kenyans. What is the alternative? We cannot play politics of populism. We cannot play politics of theory. We have been playing politics of theory since independence. That is why we have got these things wrong. Where are you taking us? We cannot follow Kalonzo because we don't know where he's going. Personally, as John Mbadi, I am saying it here affirmatively. I am not persuaded that Kalonzo is taking us anywhere. And I'm not persuaded that Uhuru means well for us now. If he wanted to give us leadership, he would have given us leadership. In 2022, some of us today, we would be cabinet ministers. I would not be a nominated member of parliament. You are telling us that now it's when Uhuru has a solution, has the key to take us to State House. When he was at State House, he handed over key to someone else. Now you are teaching us that Uhuru can give us the key to State House. I want to say it because I'm also a senior politician in this republic and this region. I am also a senior politician in Luoland. I have authority. I am the chairman of ODM. We sat as a party. We told the Prime Minister, our party leader, we agreed that we need dialogue, we need discussion, we need conversation. We must decide where Kenya is going. ODM is a big party. We cannot just be passive participants. We must also talk about the future of this country. And you cannot tell us that the presidency of Ruto will come down. How? And if it comes down, what is the solution? If Ruto today resigns, it is Gachagua who is going to be president. Is he a better option? To me, I say no. Gachagua is worse than Ruto. He's a tribalist. He said Kenya is a company with the shareholders where we don't belong. Gachagua told us that we don't belong to the company called Kenya. But there are only two shareholders, the Kalonzo and Kikuyus. We cannot forgive him for that because he showed his intention and intent early enough. He is not a good material to lead this country. Some of us who are young, we have children, we will have grandchildren. We cannot allow someone with the mindset of Gachagua to take over the leadership of this country.